everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Let's talk about the Seat Elborn, because I'm totally honest, I didn't notice that car at all, and then I saw on InsideEVs.com a comparison, and they did a little photo thing and show you here, and they are very alike. And then of course Seat is being owned by Volkswagen, and then when you hear the specs, is it the same car? Because why I say that, there are pictures of the Seat and you can see the steering wheel and the screen in the middle, and it's exactly the same as in the ID.3 video, where you see a bit of the steering wheel and the screen. Just I think it says volume, and here it says something else, but that's interesting. And then of course it's the specs. The Seat says 62 kilowatt hour battery. That means gross capacity, so net capacity would be the 58 kilowatt hours that Volkswagen is saying. They both are being built in the same factory in Zwickau by Volkswagen, by the same people, I guess. And they're both based on the same platform, the MEB. Range is the same, 420 kilometers WLTP. Then charging speed is the same, 100 kilowatt. But and on pictures you can see that the charge port for the Seat Elborn is in the back right. I was hoping it would be in the front in the ID.3, but I'm guessing it will be like that. And there's no price for the Elborn, but what I can see, what they have a different spec. They have the motor, 150 kilowatt motor, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, acceleration 7.5 seconds. That sounds interesting. That's Kona numbers, and Kona was enough power for me. That's what I want. Sounds great. Like I said, price unknown, and I have to say, I don't need a Volkswagen badge on my car. I don't care. So if that Seat is cheaper because it has less features that I don't need necessarily, I totally go for that car. So what do you think? What do you prefer? Does it have to be Volkswagen? For me, it doesn't. Just tell me. I want to know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.